In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to segment contacts with active lists in HubSpot. Whether you're new to CRM or a seasoned user, understanding how to use active lists can vastly improve your contact management, making it easier to target the right audiences for your marketing and sales efforts. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's head over to the HubSpot website. Open your preferred web browser and type in HubSpot's URL, or use your favorite search engine to find it if that's easier for you. Once you're on the homepage, you should see the Login button located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Login, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials to access your HubSpot account. For those of you who typically use Google for sign-ins, you'll be glad to know HubSpot supports this option. Navigate to the Sign In with Google button. Click it, and from there, choose the appropriate Google account you'd like to log in with. This can save you some time and hassle, especially if you manage multiple online accounts. Once you're in and you're viewing the main dashboard, it's time to head to the CRM section. You can find this by looking for the CRM link on the interface. Clicking on this link will lead you to your contacts area where you can really start segmenting those contacts. Now that we're in the CRM, the next step is to locate the Lists tab. This is usually found somewhere along the top menu or sidebar depending on your settings and layout. Click on Lists. And this is where the magic happens. You'll be greeted with a page that contains all your contact lists, a valuable asset for any business trying to keep track of their communication and outreach efforts. Once you've reached the lists area, look for the All Types drop-down menu. It's usually prominent and easy to spot. Clicking on this gives you several options, one of which is Active. These active lists are dynamic, updating automatically as contact properties change. This feature is incredibly powerful, allowing you to ensure that your lists are always up to date without any manual intervention. With the All Types drop-down expanded, go ahead and click on the Active option. This simple action sets your lists to only show those which are currently active, filtering out any static or outdated data. It's a great way to streamline the process and focus on the relevant contacts for your current projects. And there you have it. You're now capable of segmenting contacts using active lists in HubSpot. This dynamic approach can save you time and improve your marketing strategy's efficiency. By ensuring your lists are always current, you're one step closer to reaching your business goals more effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.